What's up guys, it's Mario here. Sorry that the quality is so bad. I just have to use my mum's phone. But I'm in Canary Wharf right now, as you can see. Yeah. And we just found this thing that you can actually stand in, which I think is pretty sick. So there's the thing. If I zoom in, my sisters are over there. And there's the thing. It's pretty big. All that smoke you can see comes out of that thing. It's really, really creepy. I've gone inside there. I won't want to go inside there again because it's really wet. And I don't want these shoes getting wet. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. I've been inside Canary Wharf over there. Down, but I've decided to leave that place and come here. Because it's really dark. We came here earlier on, but the colours were not showing at all because it was so dark. Yeah, but that's the thing. Hope you enjoy it. I'm just going to leave it. So that's the end of this video. Well, for now I'm gonna call it a vlog because I am outside. If you enjoyed it, please smash that subscribe button. You don't have to hit the like button. If there's anything, comment, share, whatever. Please don't hit dislike or unsubscribe. Even if you do, I don't really care. But anyway, bye bye.